I started using this Realme 11X mobile for more than 2 weeks as my primary device. In this video, I share this mobile in-depth review including the pros, cons, gaming, camera and more. Also, in the final part of the video, I share whether it is a good mobile under 15,000 rupees or not. Come to the overview. In hand, this mobile feels good and light in weight. The design is good, but a big circle camera cutout is there at the back. This one weighs 190 grams, buttons are clicky and a side mounted fingerprint cum power button is there. This one is made up of plastic at the back and an aluminium frame. The color is also good. It is a gradient looking color with a small dots texture which is visible in strong light conditions. In the box, you get this mobile, some paperwork, a SIM ejector pin, a back case for the mobile and a charger along with a cable. Everything is there in the box. Coming to the display, this is a 6.72-inch IPS LCD panel with a maximum screen refresh rate of 120Hz. This display typically goes up to 550 nits of brightness indoors and up to 680 nits outdoors. This is a flat display with a 91.4% screen to body ratio. Bezels are there all over the screen but thicker on the bottom side. Many of the LCD panels have a common issue called screen bleeding, but in this one it's not there. I have seen this issue when I was using the Pocophone F1. Overall, the display is good, touch response rate is good, but if I use it in direct sunlight, the display turns into full contrast mode and colors are too saturated. When I again come back to indoors, it's normal. This Realme 11X comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 5G processor. I didn't notice any lags during the normal usage. Even I played the games in this one. I never faced any lags during the gameplay. I did the CPU throttling for about 10 minutes. It never turned red. Always it is in green. This shows how the processor is under good temperature. There is no cooling chamber is there in this mobile. Coming to the heating, during the normal usage, no heating at all. While gaming, it is a little warm below the camera area, but it is not overheating. If you want to check the gaming review of this mobile, check the video link in the description box. Overall, it's a good processor and handle all tasks. Coming to the cameras, I tested in day and nighttime conditions for both photos and videos. On the back, there are two cameras. The main one is a 64 megapixel with aperture f1.8. The second one is a 2 megapixel with aperture f2.4 and it's a depth camera. On the front, it's an 8 megapixel with aperture f2.1. Photos are good in daytime conditions. On the back camera, you can control the HDR and AI enhancement while clicking the photos. In this mobile, a lot of filters are there in each mode. You can control skin tones, face texture, face shape and more. Even pro photo and video modes are there. Coming to the videos, you can record a maximum of 1080p 30 fps by using front and back cameras. The video quality is okay, but it is over sharpening, which is also the same in the front camera. If you record videos occasionally, then for you it's not a big problem. Whereas on the other side, if you are looking to buy this mobile only for videos, then it's not the mobile you are looking for. In the gallery, you can edit the recorded videos and click the photos. I mean, you can control the brightness, colors, contrast, effects and more. If you want to see a detailed review of this mobile camera, check out the link in the description box. Overall, for photos, that too for daytime conditions, it's okay, but for videos and nighttime usage, it's not good. Coming to the battery and charging, this Realme 11X is packed with a 5000 mAh battery that lasts for more than 1 day in medium usage. If you're a heavy user, at least for 1 day, you get the battery backup in this mobile. The standby time is also good. Some mobiles drain out the battery if you kept it idle for a complete night, but in this one, that issue is not there. The main two reasons why battery backup is good in this mobile are: number one is processor. This is not a power-hungry chipset that takes out all the juice, and even it's not overheating either. Number two is display. Due to the LCD panel, the battery backup is good. If in case it is AMOLED, there is some drop in the overall battery backup. In the box, you get this 33 watts charger, and according to the advertisement, this mobile can charge 1 to 50% in just 29 minutes. If you want to check whether it is true or not, then check out the video that I already did on this. The link is in the description box. This is the first time I'm using this Realme UI. Overall, in a short statement, this is good. Currently, I'm using a Samsung mobile and the One UI is good. But some features I wanted that are not available in One UI are available in this Realme UI. Like for example, battery icon changing, screen recording settings and more. All features are handy in day-to-day life. This Realme 11X out of the box comes with Android 13 with Realme UI 4. According to this brand, this mobile is supported for 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patch updates. You can see Android 15 in this one. It's good. Now let's have a look at some extra features that are available and not available in this Realme 11X mobile. Number 1, this mobile comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Number 2, proper 2+1 slot is there. I mean, you can use 2 5G SIM cards and 1 micro SD card at a time. Number 3, side mounted fingerprint reader is there. Number 4, dynamic RAM is there, which helps to increase the RAM in your mobile by utilizing the internal storage. Number 5, there is no IP rating available in this one. Number 6, no NFC is there. Number 7, no stereo speakers are there. Finally, the verdict. Whether this mobile is good choice for under 15,000 rupees or not, the straight answer is yes, but only for these conditions. Number 1, if you want a mobile for normal or medium usage. Number 2, if you want a good battery backup mobile. Number 3, if you want a mobile with decent cameras, that too only for photos. Number 4, if you want a mobile even though it doesn't support 4K video recording, stereo speakers, IP rating and AMOLED display. If these points satisfies you, you can buy this mobile. Comment below which features you like the most in this mobile and the features that is most needed in this one. Check out the affiliate links of this mobile in the description box. If you click the link and buy anything from that, I get some commission that helps to review more gadgets like these in future.